Good evening, my name is Diego Ramirez and present activity 2, model 2, and what y'all have happened I've anecdote. Excuse me. I was working in the city of Dorada. I was already very late at night. We were transporting concrete of the base of the brine that contact Flanders. Why can't bow? When suddenly it started to rain very hard, suddenly a small creek grew for why we had to pass, and the very trampled between the creek and the Magdalena River. For several hours, when my call passed, the lad was very well from the right, and the trunk stuck, and they had no traction, and I was difficulty to reach the point of the ladder. The next day, the nature of the world went from a study of the weather. That they should not work that night, and that they ran waiting at least to die for the water too impossible. We spent ourselves the do bad riding of time and of the land after the war in the Dorada is finished. They sent us to Bogota, and the event for all immediately in Dorada is finished. Both we found in covering the rigs to which we were respond for not having a trading person to immediately trading the energy of the play. What were you to pursue your dream? In my life, I got always wanted to study, but I had always find excuses so as not to start my career. Waiting the children came, and I thought they were not had bright to me dreams to see them grown incapacity my life. I was playing with my 7 and 8 year old children. They asked my boss a tax I have given them at school that side. When I explained to my children that I should not have brains, because brains are the motor of the soul, I realized that I have given up my dream of being a professional. Since that day, I started with the help of good fears to talk this story, and I wrote in the University Manuela Beltrán in the professional technical program in Lancaster Terrestre, where we have been 3 years. Dreams are the motor of the soul. Do not afraid dying, because the day you do it you will be inhibited from living. When I showed up at the children's school to present my children's work on the question what you do to pursue your dream, in exposing what I wanted to do, the children and parents looked at my dream. I felt very disappointed about how people are used to demolish the dream of year after. Excuse me. First parent, what did happen? I was playing with my children when they ask you the hard worrying me for many years. Where did you stay? I stayed and died in the life where I was disoriented and why many questions in me. When did I happen? This happened when my children were 7 and 8 years old, but this was a constant question in my life. Were you Why? At time I was with my children, although the question and dancing always accompanied me. School repairing. What was the matter? The problem was that I want to study always. I always like I city. When did you arrive at that moment? Reacting was much surprised because finally I that do elsewhere and awkward that it had since it was you. What did you feel disappointed way? Feel disappointed when the parent and the companion of me children man full of me? How did that account of experience impact yourself? This according impact my in an impossibility way, because I incur with a change, why always me do my a turn in my life. Third point, what did you regret? I regret not having started studying before. How did this story finish? I am happy to tell you what this story in with the beginning of a career and the happy of my wife and children. How did you deal of that situation and how did you react? I felt very uncomfortable, but in understood that it should start to activity or golf. What do you regret? I regret to stop drinking, to not have perseverance and discipline. Thank you.